Hi everyone, my name is Sonal and welcome to my channel Weird Tales. I'm making this video after a very long time and I hope you all remember me. I hope you do. This video I'll tell you about why I have not been creating videos for past 3 months and also about my uh, and also about my PFRDA, SIDB and SEBI exam updates. So beginning with, I would like to say that I've not been creating videos for past 3 months or more because I have joined NAFID. The last video I posted about was RBI. Uh, उसको पोस्ट करने का रीजन सिर्फ दो था कि फर्स्ट इज दैट you need to know my result because you were part of my journey and I know when you are following someone आपको रहता है कि you but आपको रहता है कि you should know what happened to that person. Second is that when I cleared NAFID, I made a face-to-face video that I cleared it. So if I don't make such sort of video for RBI when I fail, it's not right because even failing is more normal than passing because it's passing is rare, as seats are always very low. So it's nothing exceptional that has happened to anyone if they fail, and I don't feel anything bad about it. So that's why I posted. So next video I'll be posting about PFRDA. So let me tell you my result. PFRDA I didn't clear the final list because my phase two in phase two I scored really low in my main core subjects. It was something in 60s and ऐसा था कि even if I would score full marks in interview तभी मेरा नहीं होता because मेरे को 60s में ही आया था phase two में mark. So because of that I did not clear and I'll post that mark sheet video here, and I'll also post out the interview में जो questions they asked me because अभी फिर भी मेरे को I remember few questions and if I don't post it now then my Garimi memory will forget everything and I'll not be able to help you all because I've heard that PFRD will again recruit because it's going to open its Mumbai office and it will be helpful to you and so that's why I make a video regarding interview. So second thing I would like to tell you is about my SIDB thing. SIDB, I didn't clear phase two, so उसका भी result out हुआ है. I'll bring out the mark sheet as well. अब that I think I have performed pathetically bad in SIDB because I have scored 10 marks below cutoff. I don't know. मैंने कभी भी SIDB का कोई marks आज तक किसी का भी नहीं देखा and I don't know कि generally कितने marks आते हैं. But अगर it's common sense ना, if you score 10 marks below cutoff, it means you have uh, performed really bad. And I did not say that I did not study anything for SIDB. It shows itself. And I'll put out that mark sheet. It's really very bad marks. But I did not know anything about it. So it's okay. Now, talking about SEBI, is I appeared for SEBI phase one, and of course, there's not much to say about it. Is I have cleared it. I'll also put out the mark sheet, and phase two. If I talk about phase two, I found it little lengthy. Uh, I think it was more on conceptual clarity, and I could not study very much in depth this time because I didn't have much of time. So, but overall, I think exam was okayish. I'm not very much sure like I was last year that I'll clear phase two, and I'll also bring out the analysis part of it. Hopefully, in which I'll share with you what was my number of attempts and how many I got it, how many questions did I get it right, and based on that, we can estimate marks of mine. Now, few of you were asking me about the descriptive paper strategy. First of all, is that I scored just 40 marks in my last attempt, and I didn't find it worthy of my. I didn't find myself worthy of bringing out a strategy after getting 40 marks. You should never know that the strategy of a person is getting just 40 marks. It's way below average, and like that also I don't follow any strategy. I write anything that I feel like in essay, and same for essay, for descriptive, same for RC, and same for Pressy. There's no such format for me, and my marks reflect why it's so low. And but definitely this time I have tried some tips so as to increase my marks in English. And if I get good marks this time, I'll definitely share with you. ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ आई हाइड समथिंग आई गेट मोर मार्क्स, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैंने वैसे भी इस चैनल पे बहुत ज्यादा ओवर शेयर करके रखा हुआ है. नाउ व्हाट फर्दर डू आई प्लान टू डू इज now I'll be making videos because of course I have created this channel with lot of with an intention, of course, and I'm thinking of putting out few videos till the results are out, and then I'll study for SEBI interview. If I clear, if I don't, then I'll prepare for RBI because I think RBI is also coming up. Rumors are spreading that it will come in June. I would say that, ma'am, it's definitely very okay to fail when you are already employed. It's very easy to say. So I'll tell you one sort of story that I have also been there where I was not employed, and I also felt like that I'm stuck. That अभी कुछ है नहीं. When I was doing my CA, उस टाइम पे ऐसा था कि when I failed for the first time in my CA finance, ऐसा पहली बार हुआ मेरे साथ कि I felt stuck. मेरे को उसके आगे कुछ था नहीं. I literally had to repeat what I studied. So उस टाइम पे बहुत खराब लगता था. ऐसा लगता था कि काश पहले पढ़ लिया होता, काश टाइम पास नहीं किया होता. So उस टाइम का मेरा रूटीन ऐसा था कि आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गेट अप एट 9 9:30 बिकॉज आई वाज नेवर एन अर्ली राइजर. तो आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप एंड जस्ट हैव व्हाटएवर आई यूज्ड टू स्टे इन अ पीजी एंड तो वो लोग जो भी बनाते थे ऑयली फ्राइड व्हाटएवर शिट दे यूज्ड टू मेक आई यूज्ड टू ईट इट. आफ्टर दैट आई यूज्ड टू हैव फ्रूट्स एंड देन टू स्टडी again. I used to study till 1 and then have my lunch break. I used to sleep for half an hour because early morning I used to study law or something, so it was like a really make feel me, so it was really heavy for me. And I used to sleep and again I used to study till evening. Again I used to have tea and then again get back to study. Then 9 o'clock I used to take a 15 minutes break for my dinner, and then I used to have an ice cream because I really love sweets. And then again I used to study and till 12 I used to study, and then my roommate used to switch off the lights. Now she was like, did she switch off the light is that I was a big barrier. I was a big barrier between her and her romantic talks with her boyfriend. So she used to switch off the light. What was okay? Kira, study Kira. This study Kira. She will keep on studying, keep the light burning, and now she will be a big barrier in my romantic studies, in my romantic talks. So she used to like switch off the light, and now she'll sleep, and now I can have like romantic talks and all. But I was ultra pro. One day I this she did with me, and then the next day I complained about her, and the auntie was like, we have to go according to the majority. So majority we were like four seaters. I used to stay in four seaters, so there are four girls in one room, and maximum people like used to say that no, we want the lights switched off by 12. So they voted against me. They voted, and now the lights were supposed to be off. I was ready for the next day. What I did is charged my phone, and I at 11, and by 12 it would be like 100%. And then after 12 I used to study with this torchlight till 2 p.m. Till 2 a.m. And literally my eyes was like used to get so red that I used to put drops into it. But there was only one motive of mine, and I used to have Saridon tablet for my headache. Because of the lighting issue I have like literally powers. I had only one intention in my mind, is that I have to clear exam. If I don't, I will again be stuck because I have no backup. So having no backup also now, helps a lot to push. uh, if you see me today, somewhat I am not very if you see me today, I'm not very much you can say dedicated, maybe 110%. Like I was that, like a robot I used to study then. It's because I have a backup today. And I would say that acha hai ki you don't have a backup, because then you push yourself to a level where others cannot push because they have a backup, they have something to lean on when they don't clear. So I think everything has an advantage and disadvantage. You should use everything in your favor. You should know how to mold things in your favor. I have not cleared because I'm not giving my 100%. I know that. And no shame in accepting that the error is from your side. Ultimately, if you see my RBI result, I failed from by 2 point something mark. If you fail by 0.25, it's because of your luck. But if you fail by 2 point something, it's definitely hard work missing, because it cannot be luck. And I know I always believe in accepting my failure first and then blaming others. I've always been that person. And I also know her mentality is that she was really that I'm not studying, and first वो उसको वैसा गिल्ट होता था। अब उसको ऐसा क्यों वो लाइट बंद करने को बोलती थी, बिकॉज देखो ऑफ कोर्स ह्यूमन नेचर ना विशु उसका ऐसा था कि आई एम नॉट स्टडिंग। ओके, तो उसको अपना गिल्ट होता था, शी इज स्टडिंग, सेकंड गिल्ट था। हम जब फेल करते हैं तो हमको बुरा नहीं लगता है, पर जब सामने वाला पास कर जाए तो बहुत बुरा लगता है। तो वैसा हो जाता है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट शी यूज्ड टू डू लाइक दैट। इट्स ओके, लेट हर डू। अल्टीमेटली आई आल्सो डिड व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू। एंड ऐसे ही होता है, यू हैव टू, इतना ही बोलना था मुझको। अभी मैंने 3 months बाद स्टार्ट किया, तो आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट वेरी वेल, बट आई विल अगेन बिल्ड दैट मोमेंटो। एंड आई होप कि ऐसा कुछ आई होप ऐसा कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन जो मुझको प्रोवाइड करना था, आई हैव नॉट लेफ्ट इट। होली इज कमिंग, and Holi is tomorrow, and I wish you a very very happy Holi. Um, I think that it's very important that you enjoy yourself. Apart from studying, it's very important to study, but it's also very important to enjoy. I myself don't like studying. मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है पढ़ाई करना। मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे अंदर कुछ भी टैलेंट होता, अगर मे बी सिंगिंग, डांसिंग और एनी एक्टिंग और एनी मॉडलिंग, आई वुड नेवर स्टडी। हालांकि वो पाथ इज मच मोर डिफिकल्ट देन दिस, बट स्टिल आई परस्यू दैट बिकॉज मेरे माइंड को कुछ रहता है मेरे को बोलने को कि ये भाई मैं ये कर सकती हूँ, और अभी मेरे अंदर कुछ भी नहीं है टू डू, सो आई एम जस्ट स्टडिंग because of course I have only one goal, is to earn my own money. And if you have been watching till here, I'm very very glad that you have been watching. Thank you so much, and have a nice day, and I wish you all a very very happy Holi.